That's what I wanted to know if you wanted to.
Okay. So when I start, I'm turning my stopcocks and I'm getting the CVP right now, so you can see the waveform going from a PA waveform to a right atrium waveform. So now I'm waiting for the waveform to kind of line out and give me an accurate reading.
My CVP, okay.
So you can tell over there in the parentheses it says about 8 and 9. That's the value you're going to take. So I chose 9. So down there at the bottom was CO. It's what I clicked to get up the CO measures. Right, so now I'm going to speed this video up because we're going to wait for it to
Make sure that's in your video.
say inject now. So it'll always say unstable baseline, please wait. There's nothing to worry about with that. So once it says inject, I already have my syringe prepped with fluid ready to go. I'm going to slowly inject that. It's slow and steady and you inject it all at once. So you can see it creates kind of this hill. You want it to be a good slope up and a good slope down. If you stop in the middle or if you aren't injecting slow enough, fast enough, you're going to get an inaccurate reading. So just make sure when you're injecting it's smooth and steady all the way through. So we're going to do this at least 3 times. We always take the average of 3. You can do more. If you have one that's a bad reading or it's completely off from the other ones, you do not have to accept it. You can go in and delete it, so that way you're not pulling that into your average. So we're going to do this 3 times. Once we've done it 3 times, we can take that average. Now for the wedge pressure, we're going to use the PA diastolic. So if you look over there, it's about 13, 14. I think I ended up using 14 for this. So you'll need your CVP and your PA diastolic, which is our wedge pressure, to enter those to be able to get all of your hemodynamic values. So now we accept those averages, we go to hemocalcs, and here's where we're going to input those values. So my PAD was already there. I'm inputting my CVP of 9 and calculate. Now it's going to give me all the values that I need. If you don't enter in those 2 values, then it's not going to give you certain things.